Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so we are at Patch Tuesday of March 2026. This is the second Tuesday of the month. This is when we fix all the security flaws with Windows. So this month, the amount of flaws in different Microsoft products is 79 flaws. So it's in the middle. It's not, there's been some over 100 flaws fixed many months. So this isn't too bad of a month. And of course, you get your updates by going to the Windows Update and checking out your updates. In my case here, of course, it was installed, and there was a .NET also that was installed with the security update. So 20 days in here. So that's also very important. They're exploited in the wild already and are rated critical. So in here, there's 46 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 2 security feature bypass, 18 remote code executions, 10 information disclosure, 4 denial of service, and 4 spoofing vulnerabilities. In here, of course, 20 days, 1 for SQL Server, elevation of privilege. So they have released and fixed a flaw there. And of course, .NET denial of service vulnerability, which is also patched with out of bounds read in .NET. So these are exploited and already in the wild. Apart from that, if we look at what's in the updates within Windows, we have, let me check it out here. In the important updates, there's quite a few updates that have to do with Microsoft devices. There's also of course, in there's a lot of things that have to do with Edge, which has its own updates by itself, of course. There's some updates in the 79 updates, by the way, for Microsoft Office, if you use Office. There's Windows and accessibility infrastructure information disclosure flaw. There's a WinSock elevation of privilege and Windows also. There's authentication elevation of privilege. Windows Device Association Service as a elevation of privilege. The Windows extensible file allocation. There's Windows DWM core library that has problems. Windows GDI, Windows kernel has several important flaws too. The NTFS file system elevation of privilege also. Windows has a print spooler component vulnerability. If you're using REFS, the Windows resilient file system has flaws that are important and fixed. SMB servers, system image. So Windows Win32K elevation of privilege. And so there's a lot of stuff that have to do with Windows, basically, in all of the flaws. So make sure that you update your system, stay safe. And, of course, we'll continue watching. Sometimes, some of you wait because you're not sure and you don't want to make sure. You want to make sure you don't have any problems with an update. But we'll be looking at how the deployment goes in the next few days, of course. So check it out. Your Windows needs to stay safe. If you want to stay safe, it is the #1 way to stay safe. Fix the security flaws. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.